How to remove green screen in Capcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the green screen in your Capcut. So let's get editing. First, you'll have to import your videos. So as you can see this right here, this is the green screen I'm talking about. Now let me just remove this for a while. So let me remove this for a while. Okay, where's the selector? There it is. Now let me remove this and add the video first. Now as you can see, this is the video I'm going to use. Now here what we'll need to do is use this image. Now I'll use this image at the top. Now let's say I'm using this image here. Now let's take this on the up and select the image first. After you've selected the image, you'll see on the right hand side there are the editing section. Now if you see here, there is video, animation, tracking, adjustments, and so much more. Now under video, you will see basic, cutout, mask, and enhance. We'll go to the cutout, and here you will see chroma key and a little checkbox. Just select on the checkbox, and first you'll need to pick a color. Now tap on this little drop, eye drop looking icon, and just head over to your this screen. Now select the one areas you don't really need to select, but keep your cursor in the green area and just hit. After you tap on it, you will see that the color here is picked. Now what you'll need to do is you will see the strength and shadow section. Now to remove the green screen, all you need to do is toggle this strength section. Now if you see this right here, at some point there will be green, a little bit more green than the rest, and when you increase the strength, that green also disappears. Now take it to the max. Now if you want to add shadow, you can even add shadow. If not, it's completely fine. Now if I zoom this in, you will see that the green has been disappeared. There is a little green here, but you can remove that with further edit too. And basically that is how you can remove green screen on Capcut. And yeah, that is all for this video too, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks, and bye bye. Take care.